Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. It's been a great summer, and we are slowly but surely marching towards something inevitable that is not summer. And it's been a very exciting time for the brand. I wanted to do a quick recap on the summer and what we can look forward to in the coming months. We have the refreshed Seltos, fantastic. We also are still holding strong with the all-new Sportage, the refreshed Telluride. Really an exciting time for the Kia brand. And looking forward across the next few months, we've got the all-new EV9 scheduled to start hitting the ground next year. So that is going to be quite the vehicle, all electric, Telluride sized. Looks like a spaceship, but in a good way, I promise. Really excited to see those. And of course, I don't want to talk about what Wisconsin does when it's not summer, but it's cold and slippery. And we're also probably going to see an uptick in SUV sales, and I did want to let you know we have an exciting inventory of both new and certified, as well as pre-owned SUVs, which are going to be well equipped to handle whatever Wisconsin throws at you. So it's been a great summer. We're looking forward to an exciting few months ahead of us, and anything you need, sales, service, or even collision center, we're here to help. Call or stop by today, 608-275-7700.